Good morning, children. Today we are learning the continuation part of our lesson number 7, textual bits. As we learn about how to use will in the future tense, so we'll revise once. It's nothing but we'll use the word will, W-I-L-L, will, plus base form of the verb, that is V1, if we are speaking about a future. So here we have the questions are, or the sentences: Abhay will go to the market tomorrow. Will go. Will go is the word will along with V1. It shows that you are going to do something tomorrow. Second one, Abhay will not go to the market tomorrow. It's a negative sentence. You are saying that he is not going to do that work. Now the WH questions are: when will Abhay go to the market? The last one is: will Abhay go to the market tomorrow? Yes or no? Questions. Now let us do this bit. That is, what will be with what will Divya's family do tomorrow? With the help of the clues in the box, complete the answers to the questions. So what it is? Divya. What Divya is going to do? Divya will watch cartoons. What Divya's mother is going to do? That is, she is going to visit a friend. Divya's father, his plans are that he is going to water the plants. Divya's brother, what will he do? He'll cook lunch for the family. And the last one is Divya's sister. Divya's sister will work on her science project. So with the help of this box, we need to fill up these blanks or these sentences. The first one given is: what will Divya do tomorrow? So what's given here? Watch cartoons. So the sentence will change as: Divya will watch cartoons tomorrow. About the second one, will Divya's mother water the plants tomorrow? Will. If the sentence starts with will, it indicates that is, it is an yes or no question. So the answer changes into yes or no. That is, no. Divya's father will water the plants tomorrow. Here they asked, is her mother watering the plants? No. It's Divya's father will water the plants tomorrow. Third one, who will cook lunch for the family tomorrow? Divya's brother will cook lunch for the family tomorrow. Who is cooking? Divya's father or brother. Here her brother cooks. So Divya's brother will cook lunch for the family tomorrow. Fourth one, will Divya's brother work on his science project? No. Divya's sister will work on her science project. Here the last one is the fifth one. Who will Divya's mother visit tomorrow? Divya's mother will visit a friend tomorrow. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.